Hello, I'm Kyle Roberts here at Teamworks, and I'm going to walk you through this quick KPI dashboard template so you understand how to use it and give you a place to start as you look at capturing data and building KPI dashboards for your business. Hi, I'm Kyle with Teamworks, and I'm going to walk you through this KPI dashboard template so you have an understanding of how to use it, how it can benefit your business and get you on the right track, or at least provide you with a starting point of what you can do with the data in your business and how it can help you make better business decisions. So first of all, there's three different tabs. There's the KPI dashboard tab, there is the KPI data tab, which powers this dashboard, and then an executive dashboard that we'll talk through in a second. So at first glance, we have a few different cards. There's the budget card, a revenue card, a profit margins card, and when this one loads here, we have a debt to equity ratio card. Again, the data for these cards is powered by this sheet. So all of this information here is mapped to the different cards here on this dashboard. And the data is customizable. So on the KPI data, this can be anything, not just products. This could be services, this could be sales reps, this could be regions, doesn't matter. Whatever your business needs are, you can map this data to what your needs are and adjust the numbers here as you roll through it so it can bring it into the dashboard here, show you what your budget was or what your goal is or any of the different things you want to change it to, and then what the revenue was. So again, for example, this could be target and this could be actuals, just depending on what it is that you're mapping and what you're trying to track to. As far as the profit margins goes, this just tracks your gross versus your net. Pretty straightforward, but it shows you the trend line. So you can see what's happening over time rather than just looking at a static piece of data. And down here, your debt to equity ratios. Again, it's just powered by this column, these columns right here. And you can do as many years as you like, or you can just shrink it up and you just remap the data to these cards and it shows it to you again as a trend line so you can see what's happening over time. So you can adjust your liabilities if you need to. You can look at what's happening from an equity standpoint just to make sure you're staying above the bar that you've set for yourselves as a company. And then on the executive dashboard side, this is, again, pretty straightforward information, but it shows you trend lines of what's happened over time and then gives you actual statistics of what's happening in real time. So this chart, these numbers here are all powered by this simple table right here. And we've gone back to last year so we can see a year-over-year comparison. And then as you add in the numbers for the next several months for this year, assuming that you have all of this data, then all of these numbers here will update automatically, just show you where you're at in terms of the information that you want to track. You can change these columns to whatever you want them to be. Just keep in mind that these columns here are all calculated fields. So if I click on this, you'll notice that there's calculations here. These are static numbers. So again, you can change this to whatever kind of information you want. The chart up here is mapped to these columns. So whatever it is that you change these column headers to or change these numbers to, it'll map up here into this chart so you have a trend line showing you historical information, which of course gives you the opportunity to forecast a whole lot better than just looking at static numbers. But it'll update automatically. These numbers will update automatically as well based on these columns, again, because you have revenue growth here, customer growth here, and average order value growth here. Again, change the columns to whatever you want, map the data to whatever you want. The benefit of having a KPI dashboard or having some sort of template to work on is that you're able to plug the data from all your different systems into one place and then track the progress of what's happening inside your organization. Of course, here at Teamworks, we're able to help you do that in a very big and robust way. We handle all the data for you. We take care of it so that you don't have to worry about doing any of the number crunching or managing a system, or if you have too much data, we handle all of that for you, make sure you have a world-class dashboard in place. If you'd like more information on that, just fill out one of the forms on the website and we can help you take care of that.